Catalytic converter theft has basically become a nationwide epidemic, with a ton of overlap between frustrated car owners and insurance agents who just want their weekends back. Picture this. You hop in your car, turn the key, and suddenly it sounds like a monster truck rally. That's catalytic converter Kuhl, or chaos, in action. Why are people so obsessed with this little piece of metal? It's not precious because it's shiny. It's loaded with platinum, palladium, and rhodium, some of the most valuable metals out there. And thieves know this. Nationwide, catalytic converter theft rose by roughly 325% in just a couple years. Huge problem. The pain. It takes less than 2 minutes, a cheap cordless saw, and a little confidence. That, and a poorly lit parking lot, are all it takes for a thief to make off with a part that costs you $1,000 or maybe even $2,500 to replace. Ouch. Insurance companies aren't exactly tossing out sympathy cards either. Many people learn the hard way that basic liability won't cover a stolen catalytic converter. You need comprehensive coverage. Pro tip: if you park outdoors, triple check your insurance tonight. I mean it. But let's talk anti-theft strategies, because most of the ones you hear about sound like something out of a bad sitcom. There's spray painting your converter neon pink, eye roll, welding on shields, or even etching your VIN number. Like that's going to stop a thief with a battery-powered saw. Maybe it deters the lazy ones. Is parking in a garage the holy grail? Sure, but not everyone has one. I live in Portland, where garages are about as common as sunny days in February. If street parking is your only move, aim for lots with cameras or heavy foot traffic. Thieves hate being watched. Now, the economics behind the scenes are wild. Those metals inside are worth more than gold, literally. Rhodium, for instance, hit $30,000 an ounce in 2021. Most people have more wealth hanging under their car than in their bank account, at least for a few fleeting seconds. Car brands matter too. If you drive a Prius, Tundra, Honda Element, or any low-slung SUV, congratulations, you're basically a target. The Prius converter has so much precious metal, it's basically the hope diamond. It's not paranoia, it's math. If you're DIY inclined, the so-called cat cages are popular right now. They're basically metal shields that bolt over your catalytic converter. Average out-of-pocket cost, around $250–500, much cheaper than replacement. But keep in mind, a determined thief can still saw through most anything if given enough time. When you hear all this, it's easy to feel powerless. But get a dashcam with motion detection. Thieves hate evidence, especially if you can capture a clear face or license plate. Even a fake blinking security light can be enough to spook some would-be criminals. Small investment, big peace of mind. You could also engrave your converter and register it with your local police. Pros: slightly more chance of recovery. Cons: slightly is doing a lot of lifting here. Still, every bit helps when dealing with a black market parts economy. Ultimately, it's about layers of defense. No single trick is foolproof. It's combination play. Insurance, visibility, physical barriers, and maybe, just maybe, hoping your neighbor's car looks a little easier to steal from than yours. Sometimes, that's as much as you can do.